Hello, it's me, Luigi, and welcome to LEGO Luigi Explores the Human Body. Today, we're gonna look at the immune system.
Hi, is Dr. Mario in the house?
Yes, but why?
Well, to tell you the truth, I feel a little strange. I'm hoping Dr. Mario can figure out what's wrong with me and how to fix it.
Okay, well, good luck. The immune system is what defends the body from foreign invaders. Hey, what's going on here? Oh, look at that handsome Waluigi. What? How did that get in there? Waluigi, you're ruining my show. Get out of here. Okay, fine, loser. And don't come back. Now, where did I put that immune system slide? Oh, you forgot the Pinklepox. You better stay away from anyone else, or they'll get it too. Oh no, that Pinkle gave me the Pinklepox. I better stay away from everyone else until I'm cured. Oh, mamma mia, I was just getting ready to go for a swim in the pool, and now I'm up here talking about the... What am I talking about again? Oh yeah, the immune system. I don't know much about the immune system. Could you give me some cue cards? Thank you. The immune system is made of many different tissues, organs, and cells, all working together to protect you against germs. Well, why do we need protection against germs? I know a little German myself. Next! So I missed. Okay, now it's my turn. So as Wario said, the immune system's job is to protect the body from infectious germs, including viruses and bacteria. Unlike most body systems, the immune system has no one definite structure. Next card. The body's first line of defense is also part of the integumentary system. I'm talking about your skin. Your skin is an impressive physical barrier that protects the inside of your body from all sorts of things, including germs. That's why you should never pick a scab. The skin underneath still needs some time to heal. In addition to the external physical barrier the skin provides, there are mucous membranes lining the walls of organs that are open to the outside, for example, the respiratory and digestive tracts. Plus, they're packed with all sorts of defensive chemicals, such as a strong acid in the stomach. How am I doing? You're doing great, keep it up. Thank you. Now say something were to happen that causes pathogens, which is just another word for germs, to get past that first line of defense. That's when white blood cells get to work. There are several types of white blood cells. The first to arrive at the scene are phagocytes, which target foreign invaders and basically gulp them down. The remains are sent to T cells to give them information on what to look for. When they find infected cells, they destroy them by using an enzyme that causes apoptosis, or programmed cell death. It knows where to find these infected cells due to an inflammatory response. The reason you get red and feverish is because your blood vessels expand to get white blood cells into the infected site as quickly as possible, and your cells can heal faster at higher temperatures, while viruses and bacteria find it hard to keep multiplying. This is great, don't stop. Then don't interrupt. Meanwhile, B cells are hard at work making antibodies to lock onto foreign antigens and label them for destruction. These antibodies stick around, so you likely won't get the same disease more than once. Well, that was easy. What, Luigi? Where were you? Oh, Lakitu, Mario, Waluigi, and I just went down to the local swimming pool to get rid of our Pinklepox. What? You guys went to the swimming pool without me? Well, we had to. It's the only way to get rid of the Pinklepox. Too bad, so sad.
We know you would have loved to.
Alright, I think we've heard enough. I guess maybe we all should have gotten the vaccine. Then we wouldn't have all this conundrum. There is no vaccine for the Pinklepox. There isn't? Oh, Mario, you're a doctor, right? That's right. Why don't you go and collect some samples of Pinklepox so we can make a vaccine? No one's ever gone near Pinklepox without catching it themselves. It's a no ordinary disease, you know. Well, why don't you go back to the swimming pool and retrieve the Pinklepox you just got rid of? I'm sure it won't harm anyone now. Oh, it's not that simple. Once you get rid of a Pinklepox, it chemically reacts with the water in the swimming pool and turns into harmonious oxide. There's no way to change it back. That was a smart idea though. Most vaccines are made of dead or weakened pathogens. The immune system recognizes them as invaders and tries to fight them off, but it does so very quickly because the vaccine doesn't fight back. The antibodies made in the process help you to prevent getting the real disease. Now, viruses can easily evolve beyond recognition, so it's important to get some vaccines often, like every year or so. That's right, Mario. And don't forget that washing your hands with soap and water can also help you and others to avoid getting sick. You should also cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. Germs can travel incredibly fast and incredibly far. Well put, Ghana? Yep, that's me. Well, good riddance. I'd love to stay and help with the rest of the episode, but I better get home now and spread the word about Pinklepox. See you all at the wedding. Okay, bye. Nice tan, by the way. Wait a minute. How did he know about the wedding? I don't know. I don't remember ever seeing him since I became a Shy Guy and you gave me the flyers. Besides, I read the Weekly Wario, and it says that he's really a nice guy. So what are the chances of him interfering? Coming from a source like that, I'd say similar to the chances of your brother getting type 2 diabetes. Hey, I told you that in secret. Oh, sorry. I just wanted to point out that if your immune system is too powerful, it could end up attacking some of your own healthy cells and giving you an autoimmune disease. For example, Ghana, your brother's immune system attacked his insulin-producing cells in the pancreas and gave him type 1 diabetes. Oh, TMI, Luigi. Too much immunity. You can say that again. TMI. Too much. Okay, I think we'd better end the episode now. Good idea, Mario. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe to Luppet Central for more videos of me and my friends. As always, the links to the research sources are in the description below. See you next time! I think it's a time to give our kids their checkups.